Hey Scorpios, Tristan here. Welcome to your December 2018 reading. And wow, wow, wow. Okay, so you guys have had a really difficult year. And the past few months, you have been feeling so much better. Like you guys have been feeling more like yourself, more on top of the world. But you've always had this little bit of doubt or this little bit of worry that what if you fall back to the way you were feeling before? What if this crumbles? What if you don't feel good anymore? Will you ever be able to come back up? And we talked about that in the past couple months. And yes, the answer is yes. But December is just, you guys are doing so good because that worry of will I ever fall and will I be able to come back up? You guys aren't worried about that at all. Like you guys are feeling so good and you guys are I don't even know. Like it's just it's good. Like you guys, how do I word this? You are on top of the world and you are determined to stay there. There is nothing that is going to knock you from where you stand right now. There is no one who's going to say anything, nothing that's going to happen. You are in control of your happiness and you know it. Like you have decided, I am taking control of my happiness. This is how I feel right now. I feel great and this is how I plan to feel for forevermore and I'm going to make that happen. I decide that I'm going to make that happen. And that is just where you guys are right now and it is just so amazing. Like you guys are just it's awesome. Like you deserve this so much because it's been hard. And so I'm really happy this is happening for you guys. Like you guys are making this choice. And you guys it's not that you didn't want to make the choice before, it's that you doubted it. You didn't feel good enough. You didn't fully believe in yourself enough at that time. And now you're just like, I'm out with that. I am out with the disbelief in myself. I believe in myself. I know the way I want my life to be, and I know I get to make that choice, and I'm making that choice. Like it's just awesome. And the way December is going to go for you is you're going to have a blast. You're just going to continue to feel better and better. You're going to enjoy the holidays. You're going to have an awesome time. It doesn't matter if you're at some family gathering and somebody says something to you or some friend says something to you that isn't as nice as it could be. You're going to be like, okay, whatever. You know what? Like, I really don't care. Like, I decide how I want to feel and I'm going to feel good. and that's it. It's going to be end of story. Like, things are going to affect you, but you're not going to let them last more than a few minutes. You're gonna be like, whatever, like I have more important things to do. Like I gotta work on my happiness and that's the most important thing to me. And so that's really good. And I also feel like this month you're gonna start making some choices as to who you want to keep in your life. Anybody who does not serve you, anybody who does not make you feel good, you are ready to cut them out. You are cleaning house because you have decided you want to feel good. And you're only going to keep the people in your life who let you feel good, who help you feel good, who make you feel good. And you're going to let go of the rest because why? Why keep them in your life? You've already experienced such a big low this past year and you're done. You're over it. You've grown. You've grown to be so much more and you can never go back to that ever again. And you're gonna do that. You're gonna do that both internally and you're going to do that externally in the choices that you make in terms of what you accept into your life and what you let go of in your life. So just like wow. Okay, so the guidance that I get for you is a lot of what you're going to be doing this month is external work. It's interacting with the world and deciding that you want to be happy and you won't accept anything less than the best. And that's good. The guidance that I get for you though is that at least once a week, connect with yourself. Ask yourself, how do you actually feel about the situation? What are you excited about? Just tune into who you are, tune into yourself, give yourself a little bit of you and you time. Me and me time. You time, me time, whatever. I'm confusing the me time, but you guys say that to yourself. And that is just going to be really, really important for you and really, really powerful for you going forward because, okay, sorry, I thought I was running out of space. I'm almost running out of space, but we got some time. That's going to be extremely important for you going forward because you have this external power already. It's yours. You got it, and you're executing on it. You're using it. You also want to make sure that you have your inner power because when you have both together, the inner power is going to make that external power last. It's going to be, that is where you are solid. That is where you are strong. That is where true power is derived from. Sorry, Scorpios, I did not have as much space as I thought I did, but we were basically talking about how you guys, the guidance for December 2018 for you is to tune into yourself and make sure that you harness the inner power as well, because that's what's going to make the outer power last in the long term. And also, whenever you conjoin or like bring together both of those powers, you're going to be a force to be reckoned with, because right now you're already feeling your power. You already know who you want to be, who you want in your life. And when you combine that with tuning into yourself and delving even deeper into what you want and how you want things to go and what's important to you, it's just going to be a million times more powerful and stronger than it is right now. So I am really looking forward to doing your 2019 readings, because it sounds like you guys are on a path to success and progression and just amazing things, and it is well deserved. You guys have had a really hard year. I'm so happy that things are changing for you and that you have learned your power. That's not to say you didn't know it before, because I think that we always hit these situations that make us have to learn our power even more and even more and even more. So I feel like you guys had such a year that you had a huge leap in learning that next level of your power. So exciting times. I hope this was helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will see you guys in my next video.